Dubai is the capital of the UAE, which is the third richest country in the world and is on every destination traveler's bucket list. Highly developed, the city has also been mentioned often in the news recently. Do you want to know why? Well, lucky for you, that is exactly what we're talking about in today's video. Hey everyone, and welcome to TechSpot, and in today's video we're talking all about the fake rain in Dubai. About the fake rain. Let's first start off with why Dubai is using artificial rain. This summer, Dubai has been subjected to the wrath of the scorching sun, with temperatures recently reaching 50 degrees Celsius in the city. The UAE's Center of Meteorology has come up with an unusual idea to calm things down: artificial or fake rainfall. Heavy rains have been seen falling on Dubai's highways recently, and unbelievably, cloud seeding was used to create the artificial rainfall, according to the UAE's Center of Meteorology. What exactly is cloud seeding? Well, cloud seeding is a method of modifying the weather. The purpose of this research is to alter the amount of precipitation that falls from the sky or the type of precipitation that reaches the ground. It happens when compounds that function as ice nuclei or condensation are distributed into the air. Most cloud seeding operations aim to enhance the amount of precipitation that falls, resulting in additional rain or snow resources to combat drought and other low moisture conditions. When difficult weather conditions occur, extra kinds of this activity can be seen at airports, such as hail suppression and fog control. The most frequent substances used to start the cloud seeding process are silver iodide, dry ice, and potassium iodide. Because it creates ice crystals at a greater temperature, liquid propane is also employed in very specific conditions. Dispersal is often accomplished by specially equipped aircraft. Have you ever heard of these? Let us know down below. How are they doing it? Well, electric shocks are given to clouds using cutting-edge technology, causing them to clump together, resulting in rain. These cloud seeding efforts are part of a larger attempt in the Gulf country to increase rainfall. In 2017, the UAE spent $15 million on 9 different rainmaking projects. During cloud seeding missions, drones spray chemicals like silver iodide into the clouds to induce rainfall. According to The Independent, another technology which has been tested in the UAE employs drones to fire electrical charges into the clouds to generate rain. The footage of the artificial rainfall was recently released on Twitter by the country's Center of Meteorology. Now, how smart is that? Extreme weather conditions have been reported in a number of places in the world, including North America, Africa, Europe, and Asia. Climate change, according to most experts, is to blame for such conditions. It's astonishing to see that we've reached a phase where we need to create something as natural as rain. Don't you agree? Let us know down below. So, how long has this been going on? Cloud seeding began in the UAE in 2010 as a project by meteorological authorities to manufacture artificial rain. The $11 million program, which began in July 2010, was successful in manufacturing rainstorms in the deserts of Dubai and Abu Dhabi. So overall, what are the benefits of this method and the rains? Well, there are a lot of benefits of adapting to this system, and here are 8 of them for you today. Number 1. Cloud seeding can actually make the land a better place to live. There are some places on the globe where human survival is problematic due to a lack of moisture. Although we don't intend to turn every desert green, cloud seeding does increase the chances of additional rain. If we employ this strategy over mountain ranges where the snowpack serves as a water source for local settlements, we can make more areas suitable for life because we have more resources to use on a daily basis. That is pretty amazing, isn't it? Number 2. It helps to regulate weather patterns in various places. Cloud seeding is a technique used by airports to create constant weather conditions surrounding their runways. When fog, hail, or ice are present, the aircraft's ability to take off or land may very well be hampered. The procedures employed in this situation aid in the transformation of precipitation or the alteration of its visual impact for pilots, resulting in overall safer passenger flight. When there are certain conditions in the sky, this adaptation of local meteorological conditions can work in reverse. We can even increase the impact of an approaching precipitation event by seeding clouds that are already set to generate rain or snow. I think that's pretty incredible. Number 3. Economic improvements. When considering the merits and downsides of cloud seeding, there are various economic benefits to consider. Farmers will be able to generate more money if they can enhance the quality and yield of their crops. When there are more recreational waters and snowy slopes to use, tourism improves. Additional resources provide new jobs, increasing wages and spending in communities, allowing additional support companies such as restaurants, grocery shops, and entertainment venues to open. Cloud seeding has the potential to prevent starvation, alleviate drought, and improve freshwater resources. Each is a business opportunity that has the potential to improve the quality of life in the affected communities. Number 4. Reduces the overall impact of drought. Condensation forms around more dust and ice particles in each cloud as a result of cloud seeding activities. When these clouds pass over drought-stricken areas, the lack of moisture in the atmosphere can cause rain to evaporate before it reaches the ground. Increasing the number of nuclei in the clouds can lead to more snowfall or rain, increasing the likelihood that some of the moisture will reach the dry land down below. This benefit does not promise relief, but it may add more water condensation to weather patterns, reducing the frequency of events that do occur, which sounds great. Number 5. It may be able to assist us in reducing the problems associated with precipitation damage. Hail damage to automobiles, homes, people, and crops in the US can cost more than $20 billion every year. According to the Insurance Information Institute, there were approximately 4,600 major hailstorms in 2018 alone. In 2018, policyholders at State Farm, for example, suffered losses of $2.7 billion. Texas had 508 hail incidents, Kansas had 493, and Colorado had 332. This one type of precipitation has caused damage to more than 10 million houses. Cloud seeding provides a cost-effective alternative by altering the precipitation profile of a cloud. There are fewer opportunities for hail to recycle and become larger by providing more nuclei. Some efforts may even be able to convert hail to rain or snow, which would be amazing. What do you guys think? Number 6. Cloud seeding can aid in the production of additional precipitation. Because more condensation must fall to the ground, cloud seeding aims to increase overall precipitation. When the conditions are good for rain but the clouds just aren't strong enough to create it, this approach can help parts throughout the world who are experiencing chronic droughts. This method aids farm workers in producing more high-quality crops overall. It also enables the recharging of groundwater habitats. When we're successful in disseminating this technology, it begins to minimize the risks of famine in our world. How helpful is that? Number 7. Cloud seeding can be assisted by ground-based equipment. Planes aren't the only technique to add additional nuclei to clouds, resulting in increased precipitation. Machines that extract these elements from the Earth are also used in several states. When these choices are deployed at high altitudes, where clouds are more likely to form in the first place, the benefits can be quantifiable, just like when a pilot drops silver iodide smoke into a cloud or flies through one with flares on the wings. Even modest improvements have a big impact. People in the western United States are frequently confronted with water-related issues. People living along the Colorado River have been promised more water than is currently available. And number 8. Regional contributions can help mitigate the expense of cloud seeding. Since the 1970s, Colorado has conducted a cloud seeding operation. The initiative is managed at a cost of around $1 million per year. Local residents are not responsible for the cost. Snow melting in the Rocky Mountains will improve supplies in the neighboring river basins, thus water districts as far away as Los Angeles pay to the initiative. Colorado's precipitation feeds roughly 30 million people every year. Currently, there are 8 states with active cloud seeding projects. So did you guys know that the rains in Dubai were artificial? Did we leave you surprised after explaining the science behind them? We surely were when we first learned about it. Tell us in the comments down below if you'd ever like to experience artificial rain, and like this video if you like the content and you'd want to see more content like this from TechSpot. Subscribe and stay around for our next video, and we really hope to see you guys again here soon.